How to fix the issue where you can't change your wallpaper on Windows 11. So if your desktop wallpaper is either stuck black or you just can't change it in general, I'm going to show you two ways to go and solve this issue. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your start menu. You can then search for Control Panel and click on this window here. In the top right hand side, click on the drop down arrow and select Category. Now underneath Ease of Access, click on Optimize Visual Display. You'll then need to scroll down to this option here, Remove Background Images, and make sure this is unchecked like so, and then go and press Apply and OK. Now if it's still not working, open up the Start menu, search for Run and click on this icon here. In the search box, go and type in %, appdata %, and press Enter. You then need to scroll down and double click on Microsoft. You can then double click on this Windows folder, double click on Themes, click on the drop down next to View, click on Show, and make sure Hidden Items is selected. You'll then see a file called Transcoded Wallpaper. Go in, rename this, and all we're going to do is type in .old at the end of the file name and then press Enter. You'll then need to go in, restart your computer, and once your computer restarts, you should then be able to change the wallpaper.